Let's take a look at the forecast. We'll start with Monday night into Tuesday. The Storm Prediction Center highlighting an area of possible strong to severe thunderstorms all the way from Kentucky and southern Illinois through Missouri, Arkansas into Oklahoma, and also northern portions of Texas. We are, for the most part, underneath that marginal risk to level 1 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, which basically means that an isolated strong to severe storm is possible. This will be mainly Monday night into early Tuesday morning. During the daytime on Monday, can't rule out an isolated storm, but should stay below severe limits. But the greatest impacts of this potential severe weather will likely stay north of our area into Oklahoma and Arkansas. But we'll take a look at what Futurecast is showing. We'll see a few showers developing after midnight tonight in deep east Texas. Those will gradually spread to the north and to the east through the overnight hours, and then through the day on Monday. We'll see on and off showers from time to time, perhaps a rumble of thunder in the morning in deep east Texas. But as we head into your evening, storms will fire up, mostly to the north of our area. That's what Futurecast is showing. The storms mostly closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area and further north than that as well. Futurecast keeps the bulk of the activity north of our area, and that will likely be the case. But still, an isolated stronger thunderstorm cannot be ruled out, mainly between about 10 o'clock at night on Monday through about 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. After that, a cold front continues to slide on through. We'll see some clouds for your day on Tuesday with some lingering showers heading into early Wednesday morning. But rain chances stick around heading into Wednesday, and we also see a big cool down as well. We're going to go from highs in the upper 70s to near 80 on Monday and Tuesday, all the way to highs in the mid-40s by Wednesday. We're staying with highs in the 40s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of this coming week. So it's going to be a long stretch of cold weather. It's going to feel like spring the next couple of days, but winter is making a comeback. We'll be having to track the freezing line closely, as we talked about yesterday. Still at this point, the temperatures below freezing will likely stay to the north of our area, keeping the wintry precipitation to the north of us as well. But a potential significant winter storm possible for parts of Oklahoma and perhaps closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area as well. But you can see that freezing line stays mainly north and west of our area. That is until we actually dry out, and then that's when we finally drop below freezing. Now, we will get close enough to the freezing mark in our far northwestern counties where a possible wintry mix certainly cannot be ruled out. But with temperatures above freezing at the ground, it's not going to cause any travel impacts. But don't be surprised if you see a few sleet pellets in the blue shaded area in places like Sulphur Springs, into Rains in Van Zandt County, and then far western Henderson County as well. For the rest of us in the green, it's just a cold rain. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, a lot to talk about here. It's a very busy one. We're going to see a chance for some isolated showers tonight, storms late in the day for northern parts of the area Monday into Tuesday, mainly morning storms for Tuesday, and then cold rain for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see isolated showers Friday and Saturday with temperatures on the chilly side. For deep east Texas, again, a few showers on Monday. Heading into Monday night to Tuesday, we'll continue to see some shower chances, and then it's a cool rain heading into Wednesday and Thursday. Again, for deep east Texas, the cold front may stall out over in that area, which will keep temperatures perhaps slightly warmer than the rest of the area, but we'll have to wait and see on that one. We'll continue to see some isolated showers for Friday and Saturday, with dry conditions finally returning heading into next Sunday.